Mbuyamano kigima omurigereria wensoko no kwigena kwana buna omogorobo ni goro motwereru chinsani komi chabono mogoroba karongo kwarigania tumerane gose tusange amangana maya senchirere yobwenge kurugaiga ensoko TV oboroso bwo muguse inyoranga nabogotonyora ase emitandao ya kerero Facebook ogotonyora buna ensoko TV Twitter naboigo YouTube nabogotobwatia ensoko TV eretariane Linet Nyambane ikaranzoike. Omurigereria bwensoko nigo tugochakira ase etarifa yogoichana asaba menyi bekenyoro kya ibara ewodi ya kyobonyoru imeye bunge ya borabu nigo bare no moichano omonene maega yomoro kigwa bwegeredi ya gatano na kabere oikonyogo soma eskuru yoboroso ya ibara atoka gasugunaine asomote isko ye nyumba yomuamate nyagosira Faith Gesare ayecha nigo omobero yo toka gosugunaine enjere bwekaine amoneri ya nyagosira ise ase atebekanire buna nigo isenere atogete gesungetie enjira engabuneyo obotukinigo bwachakire kubwatikana nege korekyo
N'abasangi bagoze ibintu byo korera n'abarangiye bisukora birimo yamare bandabye naboni ngimamo mindara bandai mamo minto tangatire ko kigatorecha n'abatabizi ibintu bwangu montarizi moje moto bwatizi totorecha teruarara mama takongira tariga nyomo ngino yocira gatorecha ndocete kumubwatizi gondo tutoko bwatizi umwana bakoma nyagoteba iga ngino itatati ponazi yo mana no bito manyagoteba iga chai kwanyu nichengo komeka neponasi ichiarwa namana kobwata natirimbuka gocha nasangi mama matabi kuna bana bante birtuosagosaka mama mwabo inoka ogenda kumurigia anja yabante binda murangeri
wikabla kimwana ore bono
wana twamanyore agara bantu bakobaino kiroko batarecha bakori bagotirari korieri diabo nari baso agokura nari bagoteba na mamu ngaro muteigo nari mama mwabayi goso agokura nari kanye nari kuchimoino nabo bori dingcheki na mamu aro muteigo
iso mwana yo nakyako iso mwana
ngakoro kichobure ya yecho yeto nara na basirete ngenje mwana yasbirire
Gutigana nayo abaremi bairwe obosemi igoro yoboremi bwa hash avocado erinde benyorere engeria gukwana negetaseni gensoko TV asomo sangirikano bokorokia ebinto asomo roberi ogusi Innovation Week 2025 imeomo chobosongo nomugaka Jackson Oluoj oyo okorwa se kiombe kya borabu avocado ekige gotoka ensemo ye bunge ya borabu e county ya Nyamira asaruro bosemi guchia asabaremi buna nigo babwenerete kubwatira koboko oboremi bw'chi avocado echiona gose echichimanyikante buna ash asatebire buna nigo chibwate echiro ase chinse cheisiko na nigo abaremi bago chikonyora ebitoki kurwa asoboremi bwo.
Mimi ni mkulima kutoka Nyansiongo, Borabu, Nyamira County. Mkulima wa avocado. Tumekuja hapa leo kuonyesha wenzetu wa ukulima wa avocado vile avocado inaendelea, vile avocado utaweza pande hii mti wa avocado na vile utapata pesa. Hii sanduku moja iko 22 kilos, wanatoa kilo 2 ya sanduki. Inapaki kilo 20. Na kilo 20 the buyers wakituuzia wakiununua kutoka kwetu kwa shilingi 100, sanduki 3 iko shilingi 600. Kwa hivyo hii mti wa parachichi uko na pesa kama mtu iko na ukulima mali samba kubwa apande hii mti. Hii ndio iko na market. Kwanza ni chakula, ya pili ni mafuta ya kupiga mboga, mafuta ya kina mama wanachipaka hata ile nywele inatokana kwa hii matunda ya parachichi. Avocado charwete South Africa. Chigacha Kenya. Umwako yosiriruko ruko Raila Odinga. Nero chirentete. wono ntuwate aina about che angaisano types cha avocado cha hash ntuwate eko ko golden hash nere ntuwate eko kwa efigaton ntuwate eko kwa giant ntuwate so chi category wono eko chumba avocado nchidi chi chinkoro echikogoni wochichiro gweta kiombu
Gotigaragabu ase oboremi abaremi basemi gwe gukora oboremi ao chingaki ogonchorera kwerire kogendete kwenekiwa eri kwenekia ense ya Kenya nige bwate ndagere isaine nigo gose eriko naboigo nigo okuborio kukwarure na nekiombe gya Kenya Platform for Climate Governance kubwaterana ne kanisa ya Catholic Diocese ya Machakos asibate ebiribuna abaremi baise kubwatera oboremi ao nigo barachiko konyeka ase amatukare bosio.
Kilimo ekolojia ni njia badala ya ukulima ambayo inasaidia wakulima kuhifadhi mazingira ili mazingira yaweze kuwanufaisha katika kilimo chao na pia kusaidia kuwa na mavuno au mazao yenye afya na yanayosaidia mili yao kuwa na afya bora.
It is very exciting that farmers, people at the grassroots who are impacted by climate change have an opportunity to bring their voices to this agenda of how do we link climate justice and agroecology and how do they get safeguarded on the carbon credits. Many farmers have heard the word carbon credits.
Agroecology is considered a pathway to resilience of food systems because it provides an opportunity for whole of society transformation approach as opposed to the conventional agricultural practices. We are empowering farmers to be able to use participatory methods where their voice, their practices and their inputs feed onto the national policy formulation processes, the county policy formulation process.
Gutigana nayo togoswa ase ayabwatikaine no bochenu kubwatekana no gwatika kuburuire bweri sabeso gosebumanyikante buna kipindupindu ububwatangase twechitariki emerongebere na kiando mutenyu kiando mwakoyo ime ya Transmara West ime county ya Narok ni gabantu emyayemo na 15 babere bararigwe gutwara oborwaire obo nabantu bande batano gosiria obugima bwabo unenchereyemo yo gutanga okwambukirwa ku borwaire obo nigo bono ewizara yobochenu imeyense inse yoborai bwa Dr. Samuel Musoi yachakire kwena na echanjo gocha sabantu bonsi gochakira abana bo mwako yo mugutira asebatebire chanjo inige gochikwena no asabantu bonsi eri gutanga oborwaire obo kwambukira.
Today we had a stakeholders meeting ama wale wanaitwa kwa Kiswahili washikadau kwa upande ya afya, na tulikuwa tunaongelelea juu ya kuwa na chanjo ya kolera ambayo itaanza kesho tarehe 29 huu mwezi na utaendelea mpaka mwezi ujao tarehe 7. Hii chanjo tutakuwa tunachanja watu wa kutoka Transmara West Sub County, wards ya Shangoi na Kilgori Central. Na wale ambao tutakuwa tunawachanja ni watoto wa kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuenda juu.
Kwa majina ni Soila Sankale, County Coordinator Kenya Red Cross. Leo tuko hapa Kilgori town tukiwa katika Transmara West, tukiwa na wahisani wengine, tukiwa na shirika la afya, na tukisema kwamba wote tunafaa kuungana pamoja tuweze kuangamiza kipindupindu. Kuanzia kesho tutakuwa na chanjo ambayo inaendelea kutoka nyumba hadi nyumba, na pia kwa mahospitali teule ambazo zimechaguliwa kwamba watu wanaweza pata chanjo pale, na tutakuwa na watu ambao watakuwa wanatembea kutoka boma hadi nyingine, na pia katika masoko wakielezea mambo ya hii chanjo. Tutakuwa pia kwa makanisa na mahali popote ambapo watu wanakusanyika. Chanjo hii itakuwa inafanyika katika siku 10 zijazo, na ni exercise ambayo inaendelea kwa dharura, kwa sababu tunasema iwapo kwa hii chanjo si dawa ya kuponya, tunasema ni kizuizi, na kizuizi ambacho kitaweza kukusaidia kwa miezi ingine 6 inayokuja. Katika hiyo miezi 6 tunang'ang'ana na yale mambo mengine, tukisema kwamba katika nyumba yako mwenyewe wewe kuwa msafi, kula chakula safi, angazia kwamba mazingira yako yote ni
Tokorwa county ya Narok nigo tokogenda gwikase county ya Nyamira niri tukerimorio karia etire maega yekiombe gya EACC gokora obunyabi ase chinyomba cyo governor bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo wano abe MCA be ward ya Gesima atuti Nyameino nabo igo bogichora George Abuga nigo bamochirio governor uyo asokwebisa ekero are korigigwa ne kiombe kyo kubwatekana no kwenana etenda yobwagachi bwe chinyomba cye county ya Nyamira getanete chishiringi chimilioni chimisato nigo baya kwanaya asomo yega onyagosira gosebwo bosira ebyombe inse yomoteneneri bwabasubati Jerusha Mumanyi ensemo ya Irianya ime ward ya Bogichora West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira.
Lakini for the last 5 years ntwanya kumanya ekeri budget iko koligas indie gokora indie tari gokora. That is why ekero isabe yari kono gokoru na audit bagaita aga seitu Nyamira kumanya ingiti muti bano kegendera tikera bantu nkorera bari batabira moko na kwemurungania imaanza kubatebinga muri Palestina NIS abanke bari bakukora utafiti abantu abankorera bari ino mugaga no itona kwanete nga mbatete bagatakora documents into abaete iko muri to mutukyobu bwagite ko baka igoro mbona bwataka
awanza maswali abere atatu maswali abere tukumuholia twamugorete chi machine kiri almost 300 million tukaibu agachibwata John CP agachira note mugirango na note mugirango awekara tokubolia wa colleagues bali ba note mugirango na baro batayo na gasti ya korekana ine liswali elimu liswali ya kabere tuanzira new financial year 2025-2026 aende tuabekire almost 400 million chobo project chobo kobo kasi chi ward December toroche kumumulika ye ikirie kianero uri in charge of procurement amaswali amakesa elia gatatu tomataina kiyo tamera EACC tumubuli kiyo tamera EACC kya tubwati mago ayo atatu na tuja kumubuli within 1 hour course yanya sawa seni.
This morning Mheshimiwa Gavana uwate beta igoro siasa yare gokorwa ngoro gokorera siasa ara eno musaja ogoteba tukiteri konyegera nati kwa wate magoso Ingotaro rekanderete otebe nonda bwate na muraba saja amosa timbwati omosaja otobwate magoso ikia gotamera
Nakorwa ase chigosori ekiombe getenenereto mupira webikabu imeyense Kenya Basketball Federation nigo kiariganetie gochia kwarigania emipira ebere ya championship imeyense ya Kenya inse yekiombe ya International Basketball Federation okwana korwa ase getige chigosori Kenyayo imeomucho Nairobi nigo baene kirichi team cha Kenya nigo chiariganetie buya ase kemina nekyo.
Today, Kenya Basketball Federation is really excited to announce that we will be hosting 2 major premier championships coming up in November. The Women Basketball League Africa qualifiers for Group D, which is Zone 5 teams, as well as the Road to BAL Elite 16 in Nairobi. So as Kenya Basketball Federation, we are very excited to have these 2 championships being hosted in Kenya, because this just affirms the fact that FIBA Africa has confidence in Kenya as a host, as well as a growing basketball hub. We're looking forward to having, for the Women Basketball Africa League, we have 2 teams coming from Kenya, the Kenya Ports Authority, who are the winners of the league, Zitech University, who are the runners-up of the league. We have a team from Uganda, Gladiators. We have 2 teams coming from Tanzania, 2 teams coming from Rwanda, as well as a team coming from Ethiopia making their first debut in Kenya playing in this championship.
I think obviously like winning our local league is a necessary step to now participating in the Elite 16. I think it's one of those things where we realize like we need to be prepared for a higher level, to be honest. So we're doing our best to kind of replicate some of that competition in our training camp at the moment.
Lucy Machuma for Zetech University. Being our very first time, we're actually honored to be able to appear in the international games. We are well prepared. From the other teams that have been participating from the country, for us being the first time, we are preparing well, also going for experience and also like wanting to interact with other teams that are coming from the zone.
Etimu ya basubati ya Harambee Starlets baikire imeyense kurwa ense ya Senegal bare no mogoko monene eyemaega yoko yerusia etimu ya Gambia na kwena chera etigeti yogo chia kogosoria ebiminano bya WAFCON igose bibira chikokorekana ime ya Morocco omwaka ogocha.
For me, kwanza na thank God kwa opportunity na shukuru Federation na technical bench yetu wametuweka poa, that's why tume perform fit, so place tumeachia tutaendelea kuanzia hapo.
First of all, I thank God for that he's given us this WAFCON, but I believe that it was long overdue for us as Kenyans. Of course, it's a good feeling. It goes into my CV, but it is beyond that. It is now time to roll our sleeves and get to work. The tougher work is ahead.
I'll thank the Federation through President Hussein Mohamed for the support and the work you are putting in as a federation to support the teams. Second, I'd like to thank President Ruto through the ministry. They've been supporting the teams. Umeona mambo ya 1 million, draw 500,000. I think it motivates the players a lot. Alafu nikiongea kama player is that it's a big achievement. Na with this kind of support players wanajituma zaidi. Sasa tunafurahia sana na tunataka hizo vitu zikuje zaidi. Yes. This is WAFCON and it's a big tournament. So we have to start our preparation very early and on time so that we can prepare the team to participate in the upcoming WAFCON.
Na gwikiraga abo omurigereria bwensoko no tugukorera amaya yechinsa 10 chabo no mogoroba gendera kwegokia emeroberi yaitu inyoranga na bagotonyora ase mitandao yekerero na bagotubwatia buna Ensoko TV kerase bari banekia chibichane riogingo gwikira rire ase nchira ebwenerete Brian Achaka, Felistas Kabendi na boigo director Zack. Kwa niaba ya bonsi bari baikirania tugwakirambia mono kigima gendera ko tengera Ensoko TV eri taria Neline Tinyambane kukuganiria omogoroba umuya.